Good morning, student. I am Ovi Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the single board computer. What is meant by single board computer? What is the block diagram of single board computer? Working of single board computer, advantages, disadvantages, and applications of single board computer. Now, in this video, we discuss the comparison of number of modules of SBC, that means single board computer. Here, single board computers are used in most of electronic gadgets such as smartphones, tablets, etc. Some single board computers are available in a market for the development of hardware and software, such as example Raspberry Pi and Bagels. Now we discuss the number of SBCs one by one. First, BCM5871X. The BCM5071X is a series of quad-core 64-bit ARM processor specially designed for networking application and NFV applications, control panel processing for Ethernet switches. The BCM5871X, it is our SBC, one type of SBC. The series of these is BCM5071X, is a series of quad-core 64-bit RAM of ARM processor, specially designed for networking applications, and FV applications, control panel applications, and number of applications. The BCM5071X has advanced computing, networking, and virtualization function on a single system on chip with a good performance and power efficiency. This type of SBC is used for computing, networking, virtualization function on single board computer with a good performance and power efficiency. There are number of features of this SBC. First one is quad-core ARM Cortex, hardware virtualization support, advanced power management mode, and it also support for open subject object and development mode. Next SBC is TIAM 3358 based on ATM Cortex A8. The TIAM 3358 processor offers a cost-effective solution for industrial applications. The TIAM 3358 is an ARM Cortex microprocessor with image graphics, peripheral, and industrial interface options. It also supports high-level operating systems like, for example, Linux, Arduino, etc. or Android, etc. Features of this: it having a 32-bit RISC processor with a 64 KB RAM. We already know that what is a RISC or what is a CISC. Next, external memory interface. Next, general purpose memory controller. Next, error locator module. And next, power reset and clock management. This is about TIAM 3358 SBC. Now, next is Intel Atom T5500. Intel Atom T5500 and T5700 are quad-core Atom processor based on Intel Goldmont architecture. It is based on Intel Goldmont architecture. It contains a new 18EU Intel Generation 9 graphic and media GPU with a quick sync technology. It contains the Generation 9 graphics and media GPU with a quick sync technology. It includes various peripherals of IoT. Now, features: content sensor hub processor, has power management, and USB use here 3.0 and 2.0 ports. This is about Intel Atom T5500. Next, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the ARM Cortex A15 based quad-core CPU having very good performance and widely used in mobile applications. NVIDIA is used widely in all mobile applications. It contains second generation battery saver CPU core. Second generation battery saver CPU core. It is power efficient. It is main advantages of NVIDIA. It is power efficient. NVIDIA is the first multi-core mobile system on chip processor introduced in year 2011. This is about NVIDIA. Now we discuss the feature of NVIDIA. NVIDIA has full featured web browsing. NVIDIA is used for web browsing. Next, console class gaming. After that, significantly it gives high performance and it having most effective user interface. This is about all NVIDIA. Now next is Snapdragon 410. Snapdragon 410 is 64-bit ARM Cortex A53 system on chip, mostly used in mobile phones. It is also used in mobile phone having 64-bit ARM Cortex. It is quad-core processor. Next feature of Snapdragon 410, designed with both 32-bit, 64-bit CPU support. Snapdragon 410 processor support both multi-SIM and multi-mode. It is most important factor of the Snapdragon 410. It supports both multi-SIM as well as multi-mode. Next, 4G lit for worldwide smartphone and versatile power. This is about Snapdragon 410. Next is comparison of Raspberry Pi and BeagleBone. What is meant by Raspberry? Raspberry Pi is a series of small single board computers. They are usually used for market involving robotics. Next, BeagleBone Bag, on the other hand, is a low power open source single board software. It is not a full development platform as many features cannot be accessed from onboard support. So here we use or we study the Raspberry Pi in this paper. It is a series of small single board computer. They are usually used for market involving as a robotics. For example, as a robotics, there are number of Raspberry Pi series: Raspberry Pi 1, Raspberry Pi 2, Raspberry Pi 3. We discuss all of these in a next chapter. Next, what about the Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a single board computer developed in United Kingdom by Raspberry Pi Foundation. Raspberry Pi is developed by a United Kingdom by Raspberry Pi Foundation. It is specially developed for educational purpose. It is high performance computer with a low cost. Raspberry Pi is used in development of many projects. By using the Raspberry Pi, we develop number of projects. Features: quad-core 64-bit ARM Cortex A53 processor. It having a 64-bit RAM as well as the processor is used. It is ARM Cortex A53. 4 USB ports available for Raspberry Pi board. HDMI video output. Video core IV multimedia. This is about Raspberry Pi. Next, BeagleBone. A BeagleBone is a low-cost, community-supported development platform for all learners. It is tiny, open software which can be used for any type of small project. BeagleBone is low-cost, community-supported development platform. It is tiny open software. It is tiny open software which can be used for any type of small project. By developing a small project with open software, we use Wagglebound. Wagglebound Black module has mechanical and header. Next, features 3D graphics, NVOA ON floating processor, 5-volt DC external via expansion header required for the Wagglebound, and Wagglebound has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Thank you. Keep watching.